requirements. Amongst many other things that we did is also to agree on how we are going to host both all the tournaments that we have, starting from AFCON to CHAN to SECAFA and to all the others, and to spread all these facilities across Kenya. I know Professor Anyang' Nyong'o is on record as making his position known as to where is the place of Kisumu in hosting these facilities. I want to confirm to you, Professor, that we have taken into account the place of Kisumu in hosting at least some of the tournaments that we have spread across the country. With those many remarks, ladies and gentlemen, I wish MV Uhuru 2, its captain and crew, fair winds and following seas as they do their part to keep the engine of our regional economy running. Thank you very much. God bless you, and God bless our great country Kenya. Asanteni sana.
Mheshimiwa Rais, niombe tubaki tukiwa tumesimama kwa wimbo wa taifa. Wale ambao wamevalia kofia zisizo rasmi, tafadhali naomba tuweze kuzivua. Wimbo wa taifa. Basi niombe tuweze kuketi. Mheshimiwa Rais anapoondoka.